Something happened 3 years ago when I started to build my online business. I realized that it could give me and my family the lifestyle and freedom we deserve. I didn't suspect at that time that it would kind of save our lives. So if you are someone like me with a bit of an entrepreneurial fire who wants to create a better future for you and your loved ones, then this video is definitely for you. Most of the people are still living an outdated lifestyle in spite of the rapid development in online technology. We can utilize tools that simply didn't exist in the time of our parents and grandparents. For example, my father used to tell me, "Son, you have to work hard if you want to have a good life." But the world has changed and I teach my children differently on how to work smart and how to leverage the internet in order to have a much better lifestyle. Live more instead of working in a boring job that you don't like. So I think it's crazy that a lot of people are still selling their life for money. They commute hours every day to work on something they hate. And most of these jobs are not secure at all. They need to ask a permission from a boss every time they want to spend a few days off. Yes, boss. No, boss. For sure, boss. And why are you working for? Either to pay the bills, or if you earn 6 figures like me, you spend most of the time working and you live for the weekend. When you eventually leave your job, you will have nothing. Why don't you spend your time on building your own business, working for yourself? Use the technology and tools that allow you to work from the comfort of your home. You can automate yourself so that you don't need to be there every time to earn money. It's a no-brainer, but most of the people don't even think about it. The clever companies and people have realized they need to be able to work online. The internet stores have boomed and everybody who could work online had a great advantage, so I encourage you in this video to start educating yourself, start learning the online mindset, and start building your own online business from the comfort of your home. If this message resonates with you, click on the link below this video and it will take you to my website where you can sign up for the very same workshop series that got me started 3 years ago. It shows you step by step how you can start building something for yourself from home. Look, when this man started to build his online bookshop, he didn't know that he was going to be the richest man. He's Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, who dared to dream big and made a bold decision and quit his ordinary job and started to build his online business from home. I've done the same alongside many other people, young and old, from low and high paid jobs, even people who haven't touched a computer before. So you can do it too. I work as a medical doctor and it was 3 years ago when I had some realizations from a video like this. First, I realized that I'm bound to my office and I rely on my hands. If anything happened to me or my office, I cannot work. If I cannot work, what happens to my family, to our home, to my kids? So 3 years ago, I made a bold decision, like Jeff Bezos, and I joined an international online training academy and community, and I started to educate myself on the internet mindset, how to build my own online business from home around the things that I love. Building a digital business was so new to me that I didn't even know where to start. Also, I had huge reservations whether I can do it or not. As a doctor, I wasn't a tech-savvy person for sure. My biggest question though was, what if I fail? What would my family and friends think about me? However, I knew that making mistakes is part of every new venture, and the hurdles are there to learn from, and they make us stronger and better if we don't give up. So click the link below, subscribe for the free workshops on my website, and watch them. Watch and understand the basics of the internet economy. If you like what you see, you can join our international community of like-minded people who decided to better our lives through online education and building our own online businesses around the things we care about and we enjoy doing. If it's not for you, just click unsubscribe at the bottom of my emails and we will part ways. No hard feelings. But if it's for you, your life will never be the same again. Just commit and make it happen. We'll talk soon.